Good day everyone. Today we look at the smallest of Swiza alarm clocks. We start off with the one on the left. It's an 8-day 7 Javel, and as you can see it had some cosmetic repairs on the dial. And the minute hand barely misses the glass. The tip needed to be bent down. But as for the size, you can see the bell housing just fits snug into the outer casing. They could probably have made it smaller if they used the bell housing as a cover at the back and then just used some kind of a bezel in front. Okay, and it's quite heavy brass, as you can expect from Swiza. And then the one on the right, it looks a bit bigger in the front at least, and as you can see the glass is bulged out. Maybe Swiza realized that there is a little bit limited space for the minute hand, and they overcompensated for that. But at the back you can see it also fits quite snug into the casing, just enough space for the movement and the bell housing, bell cover. This one is not as heavy as the first one. Now this one in the middle is actually also small if you remove the horse head, and it's got a nice pedestal at the bottom. Looks very similar to the first one. Thanks for watching.